In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Miro board share reels. By the end, you'll know exactly how to record a clean, short reel that shows clients or teammates how to access your Miro board without confusion. First, set the stage with a clear angle. Don't just say how to share. Make it relatable to a real problem your viewers have. For example, you could open with, "Still sending messy files to clients? Do this instead." Or, "Sharing your Miro board the wrong way? Watch this." Or even, "Here's the easiest way to send your client a Miro board." Pick the line that best fits your audience and say it confidently in the first few seconds to hook attention. Now it's time to record your screen and demo the process. Open Miro and pull up the board you want to share. Start your screen recording. Keep your cursor movements slow and deliberate, and if your recording tool allows, enable a subtle zoom when you click. This makes tiny interface elements easy to see on mobile. Move your cursor to the top right corner and click Share. Pause a beat so viewers can register where the button is. Next, choose the right permission. Viewer is best when you want people to look but not touch. Commenter lets them leave feedback without changing the content. Editor gives full access to make changes. Briefly say why you're choosing each option so your audience can match permissions to their use case. After you set the permission, click Copy Link. Show the copied link confirmation, then paste it into your usual communication channel, email, chat, or your project management tool, and say Send to Client. You don't need to show the entire message body. The goal is to demonstrate the handoff clearly. While you record, narrate simply and directly. A clean voiceover you can use is, "I'm in my Miro board. I'll click Share in the top right, set the permission to viewer so they can only see, then copy the link and send it." If feedback is needed, say, "Switch to commenter so they can leave notes." For collaboration, say, "Choose editor if they need to build with you." Keep sentences short and avoid jargon. A few production tips. Keep your cursor path calm, avoid frantic zooming, and hold for half a second after each click so mobile viewers don't miss it. End by restating the outcome. They now have the link with the right access, and you've shared your board the clean,